Hi Srimati ma'am. Welcome to Sun Boutique. I am Rekha. Hi Maheshwari ma'am. Good evening. Hope all of you are doing good. Let's wait for some people to join. Srimati ma'am, you're from Bangalore? You can drop into our store. Live is streaming on both Facebook and Instagram. First of all, I would like to thank all my well-wishers who personally called me last time after my first live and encouraged me a lot, guided me and appreciated me. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. I have beautiful collections for you today. Everything in budget friendly. So in previous live we had seen some silk sarees. I hope you all like the collection. Thank you for the responses that you had given me. Start sharing the live, guys. Shall we start? Can I get some thumbs up? Shall we start? How many of you say yes? Okay. Today we will be seeing some fancy sarees in budget friendly range. Very classy and elegant, easy to carry, lightweight sarees. comfortable for any occasion. So first we will be seeing some raw silk sarees. With some nice ikat print on it, as you can see. Raw silk sarees with ikat print on it. As you can see, it has got nice zari border at the bottom. With some geometrical shapes and some small border at the top. I'll just open the saree and show it to you. This is the pallu of the saree. Printed pallu, printed ikat pallu. And it's got a plain running blouse. This is how the saree looks. Can you guess the price? Any guesses on the price? Smita ma'am, the price of the saree is just 950. Smita ma'am, it's 950. You're somewhere close to it. The price of the saree is 950. It's just 950. You can take the screenshot and start your bookings. This is the pallu of the saree and this is the blouse. Yes, Smita ma'am, you're somewhat close. The price of the saree is 950. We have got some more colors in it. Take the screenshot and WhatsApp us on 9483328358 to place your order. It's a limited stock. Start your bookings now. The next color is another beautiful color. It's a rust orange. Again with ikat print. Wow. Look at the color. Beautiful ikat print on the body, and for the border you have zari border with geometrical shape. And ikat printed pallu. This is the blouse. Price of the saree is 950. It's just 950. It's suitable for some simple wear, classy wear. I hope you can see. On the top it has got small zari border, and on the other side you've got some 5-inch border.
Oh, hello. Hairdo.
Material of the saree is raw silk. I'll show you the other colors in this. Take the screenshot and place the order. We have single pieces in each color. Price of the saree is $950. Next we have nice navy blue. Oh my god. Just $950 with nice ikat elephant and peacock print on it. You can see how the fabric is. It is super soft and gives rich look at just $950. Hope you guys are liking it. Share the live and get a special gift. Someone who shares a maximum number of times will get a special gift. Thank you, Srimati ma'am. Isn't this color amazing? It's got a small zari border at the top and this is the other side of the border. Some ikat print. As you can see, it's beautiful at just $950. The next color is another beautiful color, grey. Take the screenshot and start your bookings, guys. All the colors are unique and rich. Grey with all over ikat print. It's the same pattern with some elephants and peacock print on it. Small zari border. On the other side you have a slightly bigger zari border at just ₹950. And this is the pallu. This is how the pallu looks. And plain blouse with the border. It's very soft fabric, silky fabric. Easy to maintain, lightweight. Take the screenshot and start your bookings. You've got 4 colors in this. So next we'll move on to the next collection. Banarasi linen sarees with antique zari weaving. Border. Printed Banarasi linen sarees with antique zari weaving border. Very lightweight. Really very soft it is, as you can see. The fabric is very soft. So this is how it looks. As you can see, it's got a small border for the top part and rich border for the other bottom side.
Britannia Little Hearts this Valentine's Day. Go on, bring
Mango weaving. Yes, Jayashree ma'am. Mango zari weaving for the border. I hope you can see. All over body you get this printed design. Priced at 1400, 1400. Start sharing the live and you get a beautiful gift if you share maximum number of times. The pallu of the sari is it's got a lines pallu and contrast blouse with the border. So this is the blouse with the border. You can take the screenshot and place your order at 9483328358. WhatsApp number has been given in the description. Thank you, Vardhini. The price of the sari is 1400, 1400. The next color in the same category is nice maroon with some floral prints. An antique zari weaving, small border for the top and bigger border for the bottom. It's a floral border, you can see. Thank you, Padma ma'am, so sweet of you. We are trying to give good collection in a budget friendly price and also trying to give best quality. Thank you, Smita ma'am. So this is how the pallu looks. The price of the sari is 1400 and plain blouse with the border. The next one is green with nice floral prints on it. This is how it looks. And the pallu. Printed pallu with geometrical shapes. Nice floral border. Plain blouse with the border. share the live and get a beautiful gift. Thank you, Geeta ma'am. The next color in the same category is black, all-time favorite, with some nice mango prints on it and floral border. Yes ma'am, you can visit our store, Smita ma'am, anytime. You can call us and come. To place the order, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp us at 9483328358. WhatsApp number is given in the description box. We have single pieces in each one. It's got a rich pallu, printed pallu. This is how the pallu looks. And plain blouse with the border. Priced at 1400, 1401 only. The next category is printed linen sarees with some zari border in it. I'll open it. This is how the saree looks with overall floral print in it. It's like a half and half saree. This is the pallu of the saree. For pallu you have some big floral prints, and blouse you have small floral prints with the border. The price of the saree is 1450. To place your order, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp us at 9483328358. The next color is another beautiful color. It's a shade of green with some digital floral prints. And nice gatti zari border. For the pallu you have multicolor stripes and blouse same as the pallu. Take the screenshot and WhatsApp us to place your order. The price of the saree is 1450. It's a digital printed linen saree. Next one is the same category with an ikat print on it. Nice baby pink with a zari border in it. This is how the pallu looks. Stripes, multicolor pallu with the blouse, stripes blouse with the border. Take the screenshot and place your order at 9483328358. I hope you are liking it. The price of the saree is 1450. So next we'll move on to the next category. It's Banarasi tissue saree with some silver zari weaving. And contrast border. With nice silver zari floral pattern. This saree has got running pallu and a running blouse. The price of the saree is 1400. Banarasi tissue saree with a contrast border at just rupees 1400. This is how the saree looks with zari weaving. At just rupees 1400. We have 6 colors in this. The next one is black, thank you Karthik sir. Please take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp us at WhatsApp number sir to place your order. It's black with silver zari weaving on it, silver motif and nice chakra designs on the border with some florals. It's got a plain running pallu, lines pallu. I hope you can see the lines on it. And lines blouse, stripes blouse. To place your order, take the screenshot and WhatsApp us. The next color is nice blue, light blue with slightly darker shade of the blue. Thank you Karthik sir. It's a tissue Banarasi saree. With stripes pallu and stripes blouse. The price of the saree is 1400. Please take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp us at 9483328358. It's given in the description box to place your order. Another beautiful color, green with some mango zari woven border for it. Again, it's a Banarasi tissue sari. With zari pallu, stripes pallu and the stripes blouse. At just rupees 1400. To place your order, take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp us at WhatsApp number. Next one is a nice pink. These sarees are very suitable for some small parties like function wear. It has got nice floral border. Again, it's got a stripes pallu and a stripes blouse. Start your bookings. We have got single piece in each color. This is how it looks. Nice bright blue with some diamond zari weaving for the border and florals in it. Thank you, Kanmani auntie. It's again a tissue Banarasi sari. This is the pallu of the sari and this is the blouse. Priced at 1400. We are trying to give best quality with a reasonable price and superb collection. It's all lightweight, easy to carry saris. Share the live maximum number of times and get this beautiful jhumka absolutely free at your doorstep. You get this beautiful jhumka absolutely free if you share the live maximum number of times. The winner will be announced in our next live. Jhumka worth rupees 600. You get absolutely free. So next we have soft cotton batik printed saris. It's a nice plain red shade. For the border you have triangular black border. This is the blouse of the sari and this is the pallu. It's a printed pallu with a printed blouse. Plain red with border. It's a soft cotton. Take the screenshot and place your order on our WhatsApp number. Number has been given in our description box. and the price of the saree is 950 only. Priced at 950. We have got these materials hand-picked for you guys for this summer. It's all lightweight, easy to carry. It's a maroon with batik print on it. This is another color. You can see how beautiful it is with some mango batik print and some geometrical shapes for the border. And this is the blouse of the saree with some square prints, and this is how the pallu looks. Price of the saree is just 950. It's all budget friendly and it's got a small zari border. At just rupees 950. Take the screenshot and place your order at 9483328358. We have got single pieces in each color. Don't miss any of them. It's all beautiful, super classy at budget friendly range. The next one is another beautiful saree with indigo print. For the body, it has got some floral prints and small prints for the border. This is how the blouse looks. It's a printed blouse with the pallu. The pallu has got some mangoes in it. For both the sides, you've got the small zari border, which adds extra richness to the saree. The price of the saree is 950. Good evening, Huma ma'am. Take the screenshot and place your order on our WhatsApp number. This is how the product looks. The next one is another batik printed saree with some random prints for the body and some florals at the bottom for the border. Multicolor floated border. Printed blouse. And multicolor floral printed pallu. Each one of them are unique. You can take the screenshot and place your order on our WhatsApp number. So now we are done with the budget friendly range of fancy sarees. Next we have some soft silk sarees which I am going to show you, again in budget friendly range. Share the live and get this beautiful jhumka. absolutely free. Someone who shares will get maximum number of times will get this jhumka absolutely free. Thank you, Srinivasan sir. No, Jayashree ma'am, it doesn't need starch. You can do normal wash. It doesn't need starch. So the next one is a plain silk saree, soft silk saree with small silver zari borders on both the sides. And stripes pallu with a stripes blouse, contrast stripes blouse. It's a super hit design, very classy. Red with navy blue combination. Soft silk saree, pure soft silk. Price of the saree is 5,900. Pure handloom soft silk saree at just rupees 5,900. Pallu. Video is not clear, Uma ma'am. We'll wait for some time. This is how the saree looks. It's body of the saree. Uma ma'am, is it clear now? I hope it is clear now. The next color in the same category is blue with the royal blue. You can see how beautiful this color combination is. Price of the saree is 5,900. Thank you, Uma ma'am. This is how the body looks with small silver zari, and this is the pallu with silver zari stripes with contrast silver zari stripes blouse. It's a beautiful color combination. As you can see, something like peacock color. Take the screenshot and place your order at 9483328358. Price of the saree is 5,900, 5,900. The next one is green, parrot green with grey combination. It's same design. It's a plain saree with silver zari on both the sides. This is how the pallu looks with silver stripes and silver striped blouse. It's a purplish grey. with parrot green combination, very rare combination. Take the screenshot and place your order. Next one is mustard with grey combination. It's a soft silk saree, mustard with grey. It's same category, plain saree with zari lines, border on both the sides. Zari woven stripes, pallu and blouse. We've got single pieces in each color. So if you guys like it, you can take the screenshot and start placing your orders on our WhatsApp number. The number has been given in the description box. Price of the saree is 5,900. It's a pure handloom soft silk saree. And blouse, pallu. So this is the last one for the day. With this, we'll be finishing our live for the day. I hope you guys like my collection. So how was the collection? Did you guys like it? Share the live maximum number of times and get this beautiful jhumka absolutely free. The winner will be announced in our next live. Sorry, Leena ma'am. It's okay. Anyways, I'm going to share I save the live. So you can watch it once I finish it, Leena ma'am. Don't worry. Hi, Shruti ma'am. I'm going to finish the live now. So you get this absolutely free if you share the live maximum number of times. That is it for the day. Welcome, Leena ma'am. So shall I finish it? See you in the next live with another beautiful set of collection. To place your orders, whichever you have liked, please take the screenshot and WhatsApp me on a WhatsApp number. Hope you guys like the collections. Thank you for watching the live. I think it's been almost 1 hour that we started. Thank you, Shruti ma'am. So see you guys in the next live with another set of beautiful collections. Thank you for watching. Place your orders soon before the stock gets over. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Srinivasan sir. Thanks for watching, all of you. See you in the next live.